Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily change your resolution in Windows 10. So for doing this you just need to tap on battery here. Sorry, I will do it again. And just choose battery mode, battery settings, sorry. And here you will find display. And in the display on the left menu you will find resolution. So just tap on resolution and here you can see different resolution you can choose. So for example we will choose this one. So now here you can see that you can also, after you choose it, keep changes, so it will save your changes and you can revert back to previous resolution. So you can see that by default, if you don't choose anything, it will revert you back to previous resolution. So this is the way how you can do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.